Alright, so I have this in place. I'm about ready to screw it down. What I had to do is there we go. There we go. Yeah. I had to turn the key to on position, not start, to get the shifter into reverse neutral, and then I was able to slide this on after connecting the lighter outlet, and it looks like it's in a good spot right now. And this is new. I put in the light bulb for it. It's working. There was only one on mine. In my year, there was only one light bulb. I pulled it out of the back end of this. When I took this off, I pulled it out of the back end of the shifter area. When I took it off, and now I just put it back in here with a new light bulb. And I, of course, got the screws in a little baggie. So let's look at this, and you know what? Kind of need a screwdriver. Be right back. Center console top plate. Long screw goes on passenger side inside hatch. Long screw. There's all the other ones, and there's a short screw in here, which I didn't write where it went, which was kind of stupid of me. It's not even gripping into its latch. I might need to put a longer one there to get it to snug down properly. So, this guy over here. Yeah, it's lining up. It's just not gripping it. Let's try this one. Let's see if this one. There we go. All right. So the next thing is the new shift knob that I got. Let's see how this does. Beautiful. And now, for the pieces that go on it, there's an O-ring clip that goes down in there. Goes around that. There we go. So I gotta go get the tool for that, and I'll try and get you a little quick peek at it. All right, so in order to get that O-ring on, we have to move the shifter down, and that O-ring is in there and slips on just past that collar, and you can kind of see the groove right there that it has to go in, and that'll secure the shifter knob down, and then I can put the shifter button on, and then I can stop jamming my thumb into the shifter detente right there. So I remember taking this off, it was an absolute pain in the butt. Yeah, there was something that I did to make it easier. I took that, so that squeezing it opened it. In place now. Something's not right. It was warped. So and there we go. Good. And it's in there. Last but not least, let's see if this now works. Now, what this does is the two tines on this, they have in the middle, I don't know if you can see it, two little hooks, and those go on either side down here in a hole. So I gotta remember which way this goes on. Jesus. There we go. Awesome. This is done. Shut that off. And release the brake. And we're good. Yay.